Hello, guys. We are back for our weekend cruise on Navigator of the Seas, and we're going to give you a quick tour of our room. We are on deck 10, and this is room 1740. So, normally we do 1640. Deck 10, 1640. I know. Okay, deck 10, 1640 is our stater room. I'll give you a quick little tour.
It's a junior suite, like we said earlier.
Yes, I'll just kind of quick little peek, but I'm going to start over here with our closet.
The junior suites get a walk-in closet.
Yeah, so you can actually walk in here, lots of space. Then you have our robes.
Life jackets down there.
Yep. So that is our walk-in closet. Now I'm going to take you guys to the bathroom. So, here we go. All right. We have a bathtub.
So only come in junior suites and above. Regular balconies and standard rooms don't come with bathtubs. They just come with showers.
Yeah, so if you want a bathtub, make sure you book the junior suite.
Or above.
Then we have plenty of space in our cabinets. Right here. That's pretty good. A lot of storage space.
The regular rooms don't have two mirrors that open up either. Just one side opens up. Then the junior suites, they give you all your little goodies here.
There you go. Got your little goodies. So now we're going to come out here. We have some sparkling water there. And to be honest, hubby's going to drink all those, not me.
Yeah. It's like a toxic chemical to drink water.
We have our cookies.
This is something also we're Emerald right now, so they give us water and little snacks. Got a cabinet behind you for storage.
Yes, lots of storage space, guys. So there you have it.
Got some drawers over here. If you need a blow dryer, it's on the top drawer. Lighting, not very many plugs. Those are the only two plugs you're going to find in the room. That's why we always recommend bringing a multi-USB charger or a little power strip. That way you get additional plugs.
Yes, and for you guys who love to drink coffee, espresso.
Yeah, that comes in the junior suite or higher.
So what else we have?
Well, not really a refrigerator. More like a cooler.
Yes, a cooler. It'll keep it, cool.
A little bit above room temperature, but yeah, it doesn't. It's not an actual refrigerator.
Alrighty, what we got here? We got our safe. If you want to lock up your belongings, go out for a swim, head out to the jacuzzi. You don't have to worry about any of your valuables being left out.
Yeah. And just more cabinets.
Okay.
Got a chair and a couch.
Oh yeah, pretty comfy. So we'll head out to the balcony now.
One of the differences, the junior suites and above, it has that additional window right there because the rooms are a little bit bigger than a regular balcony room. The regular balcony just has this.
So it kind of splits it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Let's see what's outside. Not too much to write home about.
Well, this is a nice sized balcony with the junior suites.
Oh yeah.
So you have your two chairs, table. Once the ship gets moving, it'll be really nice to sit out here. Okay, well, I think there you have it. Deck 10, stater room.
1640.
I had to let him say it because it's like a tongue twister for me.
And generally, like she said, the rooms usually open up between 1 and 2. Today, like right after 12, the captain said the rooms were ready. I think it's just because the ships are booked so light that they're able to get them ready faster. Because really
that was awesome. Oh, one quick thing. I wanted to show you guys because like my husband said, there's not a lot of plugs. So you also have a
USB on the side of the phone.
Yeah, so if you need to charge your cell phone or something, just use the telephone. Got your nice little lights. So,
Show
yeah.
the air conditioning control.
All right, let's go check that out real quick. Kind of backtrack a little. All right.
Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, it's behind this camera.
Okay, we found it.
That's important. I don't like it warm in here.
Oh, he hates it warm, so yeah. So guess what? If your closet door is open, you won't see it like we didn't see it just now. But there you have it.
And
So
you're supposed to keep your balcony door closed to help maintain the air temperature. This is where all the air blows out of this thing right here.
yes.
So that's it right there. If you like your room cool, yeah, turn that thing down and close your balcony door. In other words, it's going to get warm.
All right, there you have it. I'll swing around so you guys can see me.
All right.
Bye.
Now we got to